Metals have been a fundamental material in furniture making for centuries, offering a wide range of benefits that contribute to the functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal of furniture pieces. From traditional ironwork to modern steel and aluminum designs, metals play a crucial role in shaping the furniture industry and providing versatile solutions for various design needs. In this video, we will explore the importance of using metals in furniture making, highlighting their unique properties, applications, and advantages in creating high-quality and innovative furniture pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metalworking project ideas, metal furniture ideas and metal decor items ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Metal furniture has graced homes, offices, and public spaces for centuries, prized for its durability, timeless style, and versatility. Today, metal furniture continues to evolve, offering a wide range of options to suit various aesthetic preferences and functional needs. 1. Historical significance of metals in furniture making. Metals have a long history in furniture making, dating back to ancient civilizations where bronze, iron, and other metals were used to create decorative and functional pieces. The durability and malleability of metals made them an ideal material for crafting intricate designs and sturdy structures that could withstand the test of time. From ornate metalwork in medieval castles to industrial metal furniture in the 20th century, metals have played a significant role in shaping the evolution of furniture design and manufacturing techniques. 2. Strength and durability. One of the primary reasons for using metals in furniture making is their exceptional strength and durability. Metals such as steel, aluminum, and titanium are known for their high tensile strength and resistance to wear and tear, making them ideal materials for creating robust and long-lasting furniture pieces. Whether it's a heavy-duty dining table or a sleek metal chair, furniture made from metals can withstand daily use, heavy loads, and environmental factors without compromising on quality or structural integrity. 3. Versatility in design. Metals offer unparalleled versatility in design, allowing furniture makers to create a wide range of styles, shapes, and finishes to suit different aesthetic preferences and functional requirements. Whether it's the sleek lines of modern metal furniture or the intricate details of ornamental metalwork, metals can be manipulated through cutting, welding, bending, and casting techniques to achieve various design effects and textures. This versatility enables designers to explore innovative concepts and push the boundaries of traditional furniture design, resulting in unique and visually striking pieces that stand out in any interior setting. 4. Lightweight and space efficient. In addition to their strength and durability, metals are also lightweight and space-efficient materials that offer practical benefits for both manufacturers and consumers. Furniture made from metals such as aluminum or stainless steel is easy to transport, assemble, and rearrange, making it an ideal choice for modern living spaces where flexibility and mobility are essential. Metal furniture pieces are also space-efficient, with slim profiles and minimalist designs that maximize usable space without sacrificing comfort or functionality. 5. Resistance to corrosion and weathering. Another key advantage of using metals in furniture making is their resistance to corrosion and weathering, which ensures that metal furniture pieces retain their appearance and structural integrity over time. Stainless steel, for example, is highly resistant to rust and staining, making it an ideal material for outdoor furniture exposed to moisture, sunlight, and other environmental elements. By choosing metals with anti-corrosive properties, furniture makers can create outdoor furniture that is durable, low maintenance, and long-lasting, providing consumers with reliable and weather-resistant solutions for their outdoor living spaces. Six, sustainability and recyclability. Metals are inherently sustainable materials that can be recycled and repurposed multiple times without losing their quality or properties. Unlike wood or plastic furniture, which may end up in landfills after use, metal furniture can be recycled into new products or materials through efficient recycling processes that minimize waste and energy consumption. By choosing metal furniture made from recycled or recyclable materials, consumers can reduce their environmental impact and support sustainable practices in the furniture industry, contributing to a more circular economy and resource-efficient manufacturing practices. 7. Fire resistance and safety. Metals are naturally fire-resistant materials that offer superior protection against fire hazards compared to other materials such as wood or plastics. Furniture made from fire-resistant metals like steel or aluminum can help prevent the spread of fires in residential or commercial settings, providing an added layer of safety and security for occupants. In environments where fire safety is a priority, such as hotels, restaurants, or public buildings, metal furniture offers peace of mind and compliance with safety regulations, ensuring that occupants are protected in case of emergencies. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked metalworking project ideas, metal furniture ideas and metal decor items ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.